Welcome to Proven and Probable. I'm your host, Maurice Jackson. Before we begin, I want to personally invite you to become the next subscriber to Proven and Probable. All you have to do is click the subscribe button and click the bell. If you don't click the bell, you will not be notified when we release our next interview. And we count on your support. If you like our content, please give us a thumbs up and share today's interview and or any of our interviews with your family and friends. And let me give you about 20 reasons why you want to share our work with your family and friends. About 6 months ago, we shared with you what we were buying and why we were buying it. I want to begin with what we were buying in reference to resource stocks. Now I'm going to cover a 52-week period. And so today is Thanksgiving. And by the way, happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. So we're going to cover a 1-year period from Thanksgiving right now. The companies that we've covered at no cost to you. And the results, you can stack them up against any competitor that you may watch online. But the difference is our work is free. And the results, well, it's a proven pedigree. And let me share with you what they are. Metallic minerals, 10 cents to $1.30. That is a 1,300% return. Playfair mining, 2 cents to 21 cents, 1,050% return. Granite Creek copper went from 2.5 cents to 20 cents. That is an 800% return. We have Hanan metals at 8 cents to 54 cents. That is 675% return. NV gold went from 7 cents to 47 cents, and that is a 671% return. Calibre mining went from 46 cents to $2.80. That is a 609% return. Riverside resources went from 10 cents to 54 cents. That is a 540% return. We have Minera Alamos went from 16 cents to 78 cents. That is a 488% return. And actually, I skipped one there. Rover metals went from 2.5 cents to 13 cents. And that is a return of 520%. Taiga gold went from 6.5 cents to 30.5 cents. 469% return. Millrock resources, 14 months, was 7.5 cents up to 32 cents. 469% return. Correction, 427% return. Correction on that one. Line 1 metals, 72 cents to $2.66. As a 369% return. Irving resources went from $1.02 to $3.47. 340% return. Group 10 metals went from 12 cents to 39 cents. As a 325% return. Skyharbour resources, 8 cents to 24 cents. That is a 300% return. Novo resources, $1.41 to $4.16, 295%. EMX royalty, $1.18 to $3.33. That is a return of 282%. And then we have Capitan mining, which is a spin out of Riverside resources, which already gave you 540% return. That went from 24.5 cents to 50 cents, a return of 204%. Now again, these are companies that we've introduced to you. If you acted on the value propositions, you would have had returns similar to this, depending on when you purchased the stock. But we covered most of these companies basically at their low points. And again, I want to reference or preference this is that we do not benefit financially from you purchasing the stock. We provide you the due diligence, the research, free of cost. All you're doing is you're acting on it through your broker. And when you buy and when you sell, only you benefit, not us. Okay? Now, let's look at physical precious metals. And I'm proud to say, very proud to say, that I'm a licensed representative to buy and sell physical precious metals through Miles Franklin Precious Metals Investments, where we have several options to expand your precious metals portfolio. Now that's from physical delivery of gold, silver, platinum, palladium, and rhodium delivered directly to your home. okay? We're not talking about a paper or a claim. Physical delivery directly to your home, no minimum purchase required. We also offer, if you've left your employer, if you have a 401k, physical precious metal IRA. We also offer offshore depositories if you do not want to have delivery of your physical precious metals, okay? Let's take a look now at some calls we've made in the last 4 years. We called the move in palladium 4 years ago around $630. Palladium, we said shift out of palladium into platinum, and it moved all the way up to $2,729. That is a 433% return. Rhodium, this is the big feather in our cap, went from $890 to $15,700 as of today. That is a 1,764% return. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we do not, and I want to repeat this, we do not bring anyone on our program to give you a price forecast for physical precious metals, because in my view, it is disingenuous. I buy and I sell physical precious metals, and I don't know of anyone really that can match up the returns we've provided to you when they come onto another competitor's program. That's not to discredit anything they say. They may be correct, but when I look at returns, I don't see anyone that can really match up to what we're providing to you. Now, I don't know when a said metal is going to go hyperbolic like these returns have been, but what I can tell you is what's on sale and what we're buying. And here's what we're buying. Number one, we're buying gold. Gold is the ultimate metal in my view. We're buying silver and we're buying platinum. And again, the reason we buy physical precious metals, it acts as a savings account and financial insurance. And I view myself as the financial steward for my family. I have an obligation to make sure that that insurance is there if we need it. So I don't use precious metals as a way to get rich, but it has been very rewarding for me simply using the ratios. We don't need to provide you a different narrative. I think sometimes we make it just a little bit too complex of having certain keywords that maybe you may hear on different programs like naked short selling, COMEX, deliveries. I'm not discounting or discrediting that. I'm simply stating, look at the ratios, look at our work, our body of work, and look at the returns it's provided to you free of charge. If you wish to have a conversation with me, I welcome the opportunity. If you want to be a client, all you have to do is give me a call at 855-505-1900. Let me give you that number again. That is 855-505-1900. Or you may email Maurice@milesfranklin.com. That's Maurice@milesfranklin.com. Wishing you and your family the absolute best. Thank you for watching.
The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.